please, chefs.
I'm a bit nervous now because, like, I'm not a pastry chef. I don't know pastry very much. Today, I need to show the beautiful presentation, good technique. So hopefully, and finger crossed, good luck to me.
What are you making, please?
When I was young in home, we have like every month one festival. So what we're having today is rice pudding. Another festival, what we having? Rice pudding. So, so every festival is rice pudding. So
My grandfather would have loved it there.
yeah, I loved it as well. But I'm quite bored now with the rice pudding. So I wanted to change with the grain called kodo. It's a very, very famous in Nepal.
And what is kodo?
Millet.
Millet. All right. What else do we have?
We have a snowball made from the mango, as we have very, very good mango in Nepal. I'm making soft bread, and I'm putting Sichuan pepper, Nepalese twist.
Anything else?
Yes, yes, we have lots of things in here. So we have a mango leather.
Mango leather?
Yeah. Make the puree, put in the oven, and make it like a leather.
It's chewy.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Limbu pani sorbet on the side.
What sorbet?
Lemon and water and mint. Very, very traditional again, Nepalese. I have more something, I think. Caramelized mango.
Do you know what my favourite fruit is?
Please tell me mango.
Santosh, he says the only dessert he ever got served back home is rice pudding. So Santosh is putting a twist on it. He's using particular grain called a kodo millet instead of rice. I've not had it before, I don't think. And I'm curious if it's going to cook like the rice and then sort of have a bit of texture in the end.
We've got a mango snowball, which is mango puree with cream. He's put that into a siphon gun.
He's then going to pipe it into a balloon to set it in liquid nitrogen.
And when that's frozen, cut it in half and put some fresh mango in the centre. Put the two halves together and then put a coating on the outside. It's a very tricky, very skillful and a very, very risky thing to do.
Chefs, you have 30 minutes left.
Santosh has served his version of a classic rice pudding made with kodo, a millet grain. Mango snowball filled with frozen mango mousse and fresh mango. Mango leather. Shortbread flavored with Szechuan pepper. Caramelized mango and a nimbu pani sorbet flavored with lemon and mint.
Well, Santosh, that is undoubtedly, it's a technical term, it's absolutely beautiful. There is no doubt about it that that beautiful honeyed sweetness of a beautifully ripe mango on top of that soft, really creamy rice pudding, like a little hint of vanilla, absolutely delicious. The shortbread, there's a hint of Szechuan pepper, so it gets a little bit hotter. It tastes fantastic.
Your mango with this take on a rice pudding, you know, I really like it. You've got that crust you've set in the nitrogen, and it's given you a little bite. It's delightful.
The texture of the rice pudding works, and finishing your dessert off with this, the sorbet, is absolutely genius. With a little hint of mint, lemon and mint, absolutely delicious. You've brought your rice pudding from where you're from, the celebration of your festivals. It's like sunshine on a plate.
Thank you. Went very well. So nice to hear the comments from the judges regarding Nepalese food. It mean a lot. I want to go in the next round and cook for the chef table. That's a lifetime opportunity. So, well, finger crossed, let's see.
Chefs, what around to recreate classic desserts with some of your personality? That took some doing, and you all delivered that. We see how much ambition and how much you have pushed to deliver your dishes today. This has not been an easy decision for us.
Two of you, as you know, are leaving the competition right now. Two of you are going through to join Philly and Bart. Dave, I'm afraid you're leaving us. Before you go, we all want to say you've got a big heart and you put a lot of effort into this. Thank you very much indeed.
Been a pleasure being here.
Good luck, boys.
OK, the first chef going through to the final four is Alex.
Well, thank you very much. That means a lot.
The second chef going through to the final four is Santosh. Jono, well done. You've had a brilliant, brilliant competition. Sad to see you go. You're a big character, big man with big talent. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Take
you.
care, Jono.
Santosh, Alex, congratulations. You cooked brilliantly well. You cannot rest on your laurels. Let me tell you, what is coming up next is massive.
Woo! It's the biggest achievement in my life so far, for sure, 100%. Like, it's massive, yeah, it's absolutely massive. The thrill of that feeling just there when you get through is just amazing. That feeling is so good.
I'm very, very happy. Oh my goodness. Final four in the MasterChef Professional UK. Now I feel like a win, you know. I want to win.